Hello everyone, this is Azhar. In this video, we will talk about how to search candidates in UAE, Dubai or any other places in United Arab Emirates. I will share 5 effective ways to find candidates. Let's start with the first one. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform similar to Facebook but more focused on working professionals. You can find CEOs, engineers and various other professionals on LinkedIn. Here's how to use LinkedIn for candidate search.
First, come to your LinkedIn profile. Then you can go in this search bar and type whatever you are searching for. Mostly, I type here designation of the candidate which I am looking for. If I am looking for quantity surveyor civil, then I'll write quantity surveyor civil and I'll search. As you can see, it is showing me few profiles, it is showing me few jobs, and it is showing me few posts, but I only want profiles which are people, so I'll click on people. Now it will show me only peoples. I can filter it with first degree, second degree, third degree connections, or third degree plus connections. Third and third plus both are included, I think so, in third plus. Then I can filter it with location, with current company. I can also look for other filters, connections of, followers of, location, current company, past company, school, industry, profile language, open to, service category, and keywords. I mostly use location and industry to filter candidates. You can use whatever you want, but I mostly use location and industry. I can click here at United Arab Emirates, Dubai, United Kingdom, England, India, whatever I'm looking for. Suppose I'm clicking on India and click on show result. Now LinkedIn is showing me quantity surveyor civil profiles in India. See, this guy is from Madhya Pradesh, India, Mumbai, Gurugram, all these places are in India. I can open the profile if I feel that they are relevant. Then I can read their profile. If I think this candidate is matching with the job description which I have, then I click on more, then I will click on connect. And then I will add a note before sending them invitation to connect. I will write, hi Vinod, this is, no, I am looking for quantity surveyor civil. If you are interested, please share your contact number. Regards, Azhar. I'm directly asking them to share their contact number because I will directly call them and try to figure out whether they are matching with the profile or not and whether the candidate is interested or not. I will also check few other things. So I'll directly ask them to send me their contact number to take this further. But right now I'm not sending it. I am not clicking on send because I am not looking for candidate. I'm just showing it to you. So I'll click on cancel. I can also download his profile. I can click on more and click on save to PDF. As you can see, his profile has been downloaded. In the profile, contact number or contact like his email address is also not available. Only his LinkedIn address is available. So LinkedIn is not giving us the contact number or email address. That's why we are sending him add request to ask for contact number. I also want to tell you one more important thing. When if you are making a new profile, try to add as many people as you want, because the more people you will add, LinkedIn will show you more profiles. Otherwise, it will not show you enough profile. Now let's see the other way to find candidate on LinkedIn.
You can also post your job on LinkedIn. You can click on job, then you can select the company from which you want to post your job. I'll select Recruit with Azhar, my YouTube channel. Then I don't want to use this example, civil quantity surveyor. Post the job posting of accountant. Company is already selected. You can select the workplace type, whether you want that candidate on site, hybrid, remote. I want that candidate on site. Then you can select the location. I'm choosing Abu Dhabi location. Then you can select whether you want that candidate full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, other, volunteer, internship. I'll click full-time. 15,577 members with titles similar to accountant are actively seeking jobs in Abu Dhabi. So that's great. I'll write on my own because LinkedIn AI is not working fine. So I'll remove this job description. I've created one job description using ChatGPT. So I'll paste it here. I can also add screening questions. So whenever the candidate will apply, LinkedIn will ask them screening questions. I can add screening questions. I can add a question like it is recommending how many years of accounting auditing experience do you currently have. So if the candidate applies, ideal answer for this is 1 year minimum. And if I click here on must have qualification and if the candidate reply less than 1, then LinkedIn will reject it. I can change the job function. I can change the ideal answer. If I want minimum 6, then I can write 6 and save it. So the ideal answer is 6. And I can also click on must have qualification. I can also add other questions. This is yes and no question. So ideal answer is yes. Are you comfortable working in remote setting? So there are various other questions also available. You can also create your own custom question. Where is that option? I think custom question option is not available. Previously it was available, but now I think it is not available. So no problem. I'll click save, and it is also giving me the option whether I want to put a frame of hiring in my photo or not. So adding frame has few advantage. It will notify my network that I'm hiring, feature you on your job, add your active jobs to your profile. If I don't want to add, then I can click here. You can also learn more about the hiring frame by clicking here. So I want to add. I'll click next. So to continue, let's confirm you still work with Recruit with Azhar. We will send a verification code too. So they will send me a verification code on my email address of the job. So here is my verification code. I'll click confirm. And now I will click on post and my job posting will be done. I'll click on continue. So it is also asking me whether I want to pay to get more qualified applicants. So in free it is just shown in search result and 10 estimated monthly applicants will apply. But if I'll promote and I'm ready to pay 126 AED, I can change it daily 126 AED. So then I can expect 40 estimated monthly applicants shown at the top of search result, get 3 times more qualified applicants with no applicant limit, top placement in job recommendation. So if you want to pay, you can pay. I'll click on back. So if I want to see who has applied to my jobs, the job posting which I have done, I can go in this jobs section and I can click on manage job post. So here is my active accountant job post which I have made live 27 minutes ago. I can click on it. I can click on view applicants. As you can see, within 30 minutes I have 41 applications. So here are 41 applicants. I can sort them by relevance, date applied, first name, last name. I can filter it them with unrated, good fit, maybe not a fit. With location, I can filter them with years of experience. It is not allowing me to filter it with skilled because it is asking me to promote job and I don't want to do it. In job posting, you will receive numerous unwanted applications. So you have to filter all the applications one by one. You can also rate them, rate as good fit, maybe not a fit. You can directly message them on LinkedIn if you want to. You can also see their email address and contact number. Here is their profile and here is their resume. You can download it. Here is the screening questions response from them. So here ideal answer is 6 and they have replied 3. Preferred qualification. Are you comfortable working in a remote setting? Ideal answer is yes and they have replied yes. I can click show more, so nothing else to see. So within 30 minutes, I have received 41 applicants. So you can manage all the job posting candidates here. Now let's go to another method. Job portals. You can use job portals to find candidates in UAE. Job portals are websites that connect job seekers with professional employers. There are multiple job portals available in UAE. You can just go to Google and write job portals in UAE. Popular job portals include Indeed. We mostly use Indeed for free job posting. We use it for finding candidates with salary up to 10k AED. And there is another famous job portal by the name of Naukri Gulf. We use Naukri Gulf for searching resumes and screening resume the way we searched in LinkedIn search. It is somewhat similar but it has more filters. I have used Bait Job Portal to get my first job in Gulf, so you can try it for getting your first candidate. You can also try Gulf Jobs, Snap Hunt, Zaymoon, Gulf Talent, Grab Jobs. Different job portals offer different functionalities. Like there is mass emailing. In mass emailing, you can send emails to multiple candidates at once and they can reply if they are interested. And there is resume search. In the resume search, you can open one by one resume and call them directly and ask if they are interested in your job or not. Then there is job posting. In job posting, you can post job on their job portal website and whoever comes on their website or whichever candidate comes on their website, they can apply if they are interested in your job and you will receive that resume in your email, or sometimes there is separate section in their job portal where you can access that resume. In job posting, sometimes you will receive high number of resumes because most of the people who are coming on job posting, they will just directly apply without seeing the job posting whether they are relevant or not. So you have to screen the candidate whether the candidate is matching your job profile or not. So you need to screen those resumes and it will take time. Some job portals even give mass texting functionality and few other functionalities also. I want to give you one advice here. Whenever you want to purchase a job portals and suppose you are visiting any job portal and you are seeing their pricing, Like suppose you are seeing their pricing for mass email, resume search or job posting. Instead of paying directly on their job portal or on their website, try to raise a query or ask them to call you or try to reach their sales representative. By doing this, you will get a good discount. You can negotiate with their sales representatives, because all the most of the job portals with whom I have worked with, they give huge number of discounts, so you will get good discount. Now let's come to referrals. You can ask your current staff if they know any candidate who matches the profile. There is a high chance that you could get few referrals. You could offer your staff incentives if a candidate referred by them joins your company. This will motivate your employees to provide more referrals and will increase your chance of getting a good candidate. Now let's come to the fourth method, recruitment consultancy. If you have the budget and want to save time and efforts, consider hiring a recruitment consultancy. Recruitment consultancies are expert in finding relevant candidates fast. They will search their internal database, leverage references, use LinkedIn, job portals and headhunting techniques to find suitable candidate for you. Even after searching the candidate, they will also conduct telephonic interviews to identify the best candidate before sharing the resumes with you. You can then conduct interviews with shortlisted candidate and hire them if you think they are the right fit. This reduces your time to hire, ensures that an expert is working on your role. This consultancy is typically charged a specific percentage or a fixed fee. Speaking of recruitment consultancies, we also have a recruitment consultancy in UAE. If you are looking for candidate in UAE, you can reach out to me at azhar@perfectideas.ae. We will search candidate for you, screen resumes, conduct telephonic interviews, and then only share the best candidate resumes with you. If you are interested, just drop me an email at azhar@perfectideas.ae. Now let's come to the last method, fifth method, industry conferences. Attending industry conferences is another effective way to find candidates. For example, if you are in the IT industry, then attend IT conferences. There you will meet many professionals related to your industry, talk with different people, engage with them, and you will find a good candidate. So these are the 5 different methods to search for candidates in UAE. Hoping you have find the video helpful. If you know any other method, do comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.